please.
Okay, I have started the recording. So, hi all. My name is Wasim Alam, and I have 8 years of experience in Excel. And this is my batch 12. So here, this course is related to your data analytics course, like Excel, Power BI, SQL, Python. These things you are aware about it. So Excel is one of them. So before I'm going to start the course of Excel, have you heard about Excel or something? Do you have any idea? What is the use of Excel or something? Some basic knowledge. So if you have heard about it, if you don't know, I will tell you from 0 point from starting.
Relate the data to presentation of reports. Like,
Okay, great. Mm,
It is used to organize the data and
mm,
used for some calculations.
yeah,
Okay. Yeah.
yeah. The main thing is for reporting purpose, yes. And so today, let me share my screen. Just and what is may I know what is the purpose of learning Excel? If you learn, suppose if you learn the Excel, then what you will do in your real-time project? This will helps a lot for your data index profile. And this is Excel course related to your shortcut keys, formulas, and dashboards. This is the course content. In this course content, is my screen visible or not?
Yes, it is visible.
yes,
Are you able to see these three stages: shortcut keys, formulas, and dashboard?
Yes.
yes,
Yes.
So first stage is shortcut keys, second is formulas. This will take 20 to 25 days because in these formulas we have a lot of complex formulas. You have seen about we look up sum if count is some product. After that, dashboard will take 1 week, including pivot table, and pivot table will take 4 to 5 days for completing all the compulsory steps. How many steps are there? Slicer, visualization, graphs. These are some samples which I'm showing you on the screen. These are basic shortcut keys. How to open your Excel workbook. Like these are some explanations which I have written on your right side. And these are some custom shortcut keys. These are basic shortcut keys. I will tell you what is the difference between these two. Then in the next slides, here we can see some basic formulas. Sum, count, count A, count blanks, min X. So I'm giving some overview which is related to your shortcut keys and formulas. These are some basic formulas. Then within by day two, we will complete these all 15 formulas. Then we will enter in the VLOOKUP and formulas, HLOOKUP, and these are some advanced formulas: index match, sum if, count, sum if, count if condition, nested if, some product text function. Some formulas I have given. Now let me open the Excel file. Here oh, you can see these all formulas. I'm converting into black background. So in this Excel course, we have almost 50 formulas, including 50 topics of formulas, including condition formatting, data validation. Some topics are different. Text to columns is also different. Then we will move to the next slide, which is related to your dashboard. Is it visible? Dashboard. This one.
Yes.
yes,
This one month wise. This is month wise insights we can see. These are the numbers. Month wise sales, we are comparing April sales, May sales, June. Let me open the file because this one dashboard session for my last batch, which I have covered in the last month. Let me down drag it. Okay, so just give me 1 minute. I'm getting some. Are you able to see this picture of dashboard? Location wise sales, month wise sales.
Yes.
This is dashboards which I have created. on the basis of this raw data, base data. Base data is available in the last slide, in the last tab of Excel. This is simple base data, and these are different pivot. On the basis of pivot, with the help of pivots, we can create different dashboards view. If I click on suppose Alwar, right now we are getting overall sales from from all locations. Alwar plus Bangalore plus Delhi. If I click on Bangalore, then right now my insights numbers are changed. If you noticed, if I click on Delhi, again it is showing different result, because these all slices are connected to your pivot table, and including this all pivot table we can watch. If I click on any month of, for example, data started from April till December. If I click on June, now right now I am showing the details of June sales. Understood, guys? What is the purpose of dashboard? If I'm asking you, right now we are showing the sales of June because here we have clicked on June. If I click on July, now the sales is showing July month. Now, if I'm asking one question, what is the purpose of dashboard? Why do we use dashboard in real-time project? What is the main purpose?
Maybe easy way to represent the data.
Yes, that is one point. Any other point?
Dashboard basically gives very good insights about the future trend or past trends,
Yeah,
everything.
great. It's a good point. And one of the another point is main part is analysis. For example, this is customers comparison. We have different customers are coming. These are the customers, and these customers are purchasing our items. So here we can analyze which one. Now you guys please tell me which one is more interested. If you're looking at this view, customer comparison, which one is interested with our organization, with our
Cyber.
business? Cyberport, because they bought 11 crore 21 lakh 51,000 something. Okay, so these are the items bought by this company, Cyberport. This is one of the client. Then second client, RS Infotech Mega also giving good response. And these are, so we need to work on this, Mr. Dev and Mr. Mohit, because Lake Raj, Mr. Dev and Mr. Mohit. So these are not giving any good response. Understood? So we need to work on, we need to deal. How can we attract to this customer to this customers? Understood?
Yes.
So how can we work? How can we deal with these three customers? We need to work on it. Because these are the bottom line. If you noticed, understood? We need to work on your weakness. Understood? Similarly, on the basis of this trend line. So, is there any question, any doubt, guys? Because today is the demo session, so that is the reason I have given one demo session or some overview which is related to your these three stages. Any question any question do you have? Are you able to understand what I'm teaching you here, what I'm telling you about what is the purpose of dashboard, these things? Because these are all, this is the overview point.
Yes. We are.
Okay, great. So shall we start now? The first topic, if you are comfortable with this overview.
Yes.
Okay, great. So right now, the today's topic is basic shortcut. Before I'm going to start shortcut keys, I will tell you some more advanced features of your dashboards. For example, here, as you have seen, this is the first part. Next part is conditional formatting. Here, I have highlighted the months in different color. If I choose, this is begin date, this is end date. So here I have selected August month, and here I have selected October. The moment if I change it from September, what will happen? The cells which are highlighted in the blue color, it will change, and it will start highlighted from September till October. Now, if you want to highlight only October, then here you need to choose October. Now, this value is highlighted. If you choose from April till October. So by this way, this is some basic macros buttons which I have used with the help of developer tab. This is the last part of your course. Okay. After dashboard, and these topics will be covered under conditional formatting. Conditional formatting is a part of your dashboard as well as your formulas. Is a combination of both the things. Because in the backside of conditional formatting, I have created some formulas. These types of formulas you will see in the upcoming sessions. Like these types of and conditions or condition if conditions I will use. So this is some overview. These types of dashboard you can create. If you choose November, then this is not possible because begin date is never be greater than your end date. Understood? So either it's equals to or less than begin, and end date should be equals to your begin date or greater than your begin date. This is the rule which I have applied here. That is the reason if you choose November or December, any other month, no colors are highlighted. Similarly, one more thing, this is also combo box. This is list box, this is combo box. If I click on June, from April to June, this is cumulative sales which I've highlighted. If I click on July, then from April to till July, all the months are highlighted. Here I have applied cumulative sales buttons. So these are some basic macros buttons which I have used with the help of developer tab. So shall we start now the first topic?
Yes.
So let me open it. Let me start with the first shortcut key, window R. On the right side here, you can read to open the Excel workbook. This is your window plus R. There is no basic shortcut key. Before I'm going to start first shortcut key, I will tell you what is basic shortcut key, what is custom shortcut key. So if I press Alt, now these all buttons are coming on your screen. Similarly, if you press Alt on your laptop, if your Excel is active right now, the moment if you press Alt, you will get these all options. F stands for file, H stands for home. After that, if you click on H, it means we have entered in the home tab. Right now, these all shortcut keys are the parts of your basic shortcut keys. It means these all shortcut keys are visible on your screen. These all are coming under basic. And custom shortcut key means special, which is faster than your basics. I will tell you once I will complete some shortcut key, then you will understand, okay, what is the difference between basic shortcut keys and custom shortcut keys. Custom shortcut keys are not visible on your screen. We need to remember it. And how is it possible? Once you will start working, if you are implementing those shortcut keys on daily basis on your real-time project, in any in any short-term task, if you are following all these all shortcuts, then you will remember it. Understood, guys? This is some basic points which I have told you. Right now, I'm going to start from first point. So shall we start now? From the first point, what is window R?
Yes.
Okay, great. So window R is common in both the things. What is the meaning of this one? To open the Excel workbook. Right now, if I press window R, window R, which shortcut key? Just let me type keyboard, on screen keyboard. What is your window key? This one is your window key, if you are aware about it. Window, just click on this command key and hold this key command and press R button. Press both the keys at one time, window R. Then what will happen? Let me close this window R. You will get this pop-up. Run. Type the name of program, folder, document, internet's resource window will open it for you. And this is not related to your Excel. If you type notepad, you will get notepad as well. If you type wordpad, you will get wordpad. Okay. Similarly, if you type here Excel and click on OK, then one blank Excel will be opened on your screen. Guys, can you please on mute? I'm getting some disturbance. Guys, till this point, any doubt? What I have done it here? What kind of steps I have followed here?
Yeah, what about in Mac? There's no window button, right? And there's no window
Okay,
key.
you are using MacBook.
Yeah.
Okay. I will share some shortcut PDF after this session. Then for MacBook, you will see, okay? Because there are some different, I know there are some different commands in MacBook.
Yeah.
Okay, I will share with you after this
Sure.
session, okay?
Thank you.
Because this is common in all, except MacBook, this is common in all Windows, in all laptops. Understood? So
Yeah.
right now, this is window R, open Excel. So this is book one. Right now, book one is active on your screen. It means this Excel is open and this is empty Excel. And we have opened it with the help of this command, window plus R, and just we have typed Excel. Then we got this book one. Understood, guys? Have you understood about first command? Shall I repeat again if you're getting any confusion or something till this point? This is the first way. I will teach you about how many different ways to open your Excel.
Yeah, got
This
it.
is first. This is first way. Again, I'm typing window R. Again, if you click on OK, now book 2 will be activated on your screen. Are you able to see book 2?
Yes.
This is Excel workbook 2. Same thing. Just type window R and type Excel. So once you will type window R, you don't need to type Excel again and again. Just click on OK. You will get the third. Now the third window, Excel is open. Now we have opened 3 Excel workbook, book 1, book 2, book 3. Right now I'm closing these 3. Book 1, then book 2. Now another method is Control N, and this is shortcut, basic shortcut. What is the meaning of this second command? To open the new Excel workbook. There is a big difference between these two shortcut key. What is the advantage of, in which scenario window R is useful, in which scenario second command is useful? Both are useful and both are available in different ways. So right now on my current screen, 4 Excels are open. Excel batch 12. This is my old file, notes file of Excel. And third one is dashboard session. Right now, I'm closing this window of dashboard session because there is no use as of now. I'm closing this window. Okay. Now, if you click on file option, first basic method I'm telling you, just click on blank workbook. This is the second way. With the help of second step, now we got book 4. Understood, guys? What kind of steps are there? Just click on file and click on blank workbook. Two steps are there. Click on file and click on blank workbook. Then book 5 will be opened on your screen. Click on file, blank workbook. Now book 5 will be opened. Understood, guys?
Yes.
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 Is there any doubt till this point?
No, no.
Okay, I'm closing it. Book 5 and book 4. Guys, just give me 2 minutes. Someone is knocking at my door. Hi guys. So shall we start now?
Yes.
Okay, so as of now, do you have any doubt? Because this is basic steps we have completed. Now, same steps we will do with the help of this shortcut key, Alt F N L. Okay, same steps we will follow. I am just copying it here. Now here, if you press Alt F, Alt plus F is the shortcut key of your file. Alt, then F stands for file, then N stands for new, L stands for blank workbook. Now the book 6 is opened on your screen. Again, I'm following same steps. Alt, F, N, then L. Now book 7 will be opened. Understood, guys? Guys, understood? We have opened
Yes.
two workbook, book 6 and book 7 with the help of this shortcut key. This is related to your basic shortcut keys. Why? Because these all are available in your Excel. That is the reason it is called basic shortcut keys. And Control plus N is not available in your Excel. There is no option where we can see these two shortcut. We need to remember it. And this is faster and better than this one. Now here, if I press Control N, within a second, you will get book 8. If you press Control N, now within a second, book 8 is opened. Understood, guys? But if you're following this 4 shortcut, this will take some more seconds. Alt F, Alt F, N, L. It is taking max to max 8 to 10 seconds. Whereas if you press Control N, just hold your control command and press N. Now book 10 is opened within a second. Which one is better, guys? This one or this one? Which one is better?
Control N.
Control N. It reduces our time instead of using this one. But if you understood this shortcut key, you can easily understand this one. Understood? That is the reason I have covered up basic shortcut key first, then I came up here. Right now I'm closing this book 10 and book 9. Then we have covered up second shortcut key. Right now I will teach you what is the difference between window R versus control N. This shortcut key versus window R. Here you can ask question, why we use control N instead of window R? You can open through window R. Understood? Here you can ask one question. Here instead of using control N, just enter it and we got book 11. Understood, guys? Is it valid question or not?
Yes.
Okay. I will tell you what is the difference between these two. Let me save this file. I'm closing this file. I'm closing this file. Book 4 is not useful. This one. Now on my system, there is no Excel workbook. Now in this scenario, if I use control N, am I getting any Excel?
No.
So control N is disabled in this situation. If there is no workbook on your screen, it means no active workbook on your system. Only in that scenario, we need to use window R. Okay. At least one Excel file should be opened on your screen. After that, you don't need to use window R again and again. Here you can use control N, then book 2 will be opened. Again control N, book 3 will be opened. Now instead of using control N, if you type window R and again click on OK, this will take more seconds as compared to control N. Click on OK. After book 3, it took 5 to 6 seconds. Again, if I use window R, again this will take 5 to 6 seconds. Then book 5 is active. But instead of using window R, if you press control N, this will take 1 second max to max. Now have you understood what is the difference between these two, control N and window R? When to use window R, when to use control N, in which situation?
Yes. I understand.
If all the Excel workbooks are closed on from your screen, only in that situation, window R is better than control N. After that, if one file is active on your screen, after that, you don't need to use window R again and again, because this step will take 5 to 6 seconds for opening any file. But if you press control N, within a second, you got new workbook, book 7, control N, book 8, within a second. Right, I'm closing these all workbook because these all workbooks are not required. Let me open it. Guys, do you have any doubt as of now? Any question, guys? As of now, we have completed these two with their differences. Guys, you can ask any question if you have any doubt. I'm not getting any response, guys. If you have any doubt, please you can ask. Okay, shall we move to the next topic? Guys, if you're giving response on time, so session will be more interactive.
Yeah, please.
Okay. Else I will be getting confused. Your doubts are cleared or not. So right now we need to move on third one. What is the meaning of this? This is your control page down button. Which one? Let me open on screen keyboard. Control, hold this command and press PGDN. This is page down. If you press these two shortcut at the time, what will happen? It's a navigation moving from left tab to right tab. Control page down. Right now, my current tab is shortcut keys. This tab name is shortcut keys. The moment if I press control page down, I will be entered in this tab, formulas list. Understood? Again, if I press control page down, then I move to the third tab. Right now, if I hold these two commands, then what will happen? Now it's a navigation. Some product tab is the last tab. Here I have entered it. Why? Because I've holded it for few seconds. Then last, it moved to the last tab. Now control page up is just opposite thing. Moving from right tab to first tab. From last tab to first tab. Control page up. If you press. Understood? This is some navigation we can use with the help of these two shortcut keys. Understood, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so this is the third one, F2. F2 is very useful for your real-time project. This F2 is used for editing in the cells or in the formulas. There are two different use case of F2. For example, by mistake, if I did any kind of typo error, for example, here if I type, now what kind of mistake I have done it here? Now here you can see this is typo error. By mistake, I have written 3 times E. If you noticed.
Mm-hmm.
Now how to remove third one? So basic step is just double click and put your cursor here and type. Either you can use delete button or you can type backspace. Now this is fine. This is first step. Second is press F2. The moment just put your cursor here and press F2 and type here right arrow and press backspace. By this way, we have edited something. Understood? Guys, understood? This key is used for editing in the cells or formulas. Then I will come to the formulas. If you understood this step, any kind of, if here I have done some mistake. Again, just type F2 and remove. I want to remove last 4 letters. These are not required. So this is you can do with the help of F2 shortcut command, editing something in your data. Now, what is the role in formulas? Once I will cover these formulas, then you will see, okay, this is the use case of F2. For example, here I am giving one, 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 two, three. Now here I'm giving sum. Now here I'm getting the summation of these three value. This is your sum output, final output. 1 plus 2 equals to 3, 3 plus 3 equals to 6. In the next value, the moment if I type here 4, why is it happening? Because in this, okay, here, if I type here 4, now this time, the moment if I type here 4, I'm not getting updated value. It should be 10 instead of 6. So what you can do, just press F2 here. Here you can see this is row number 3. This is row number 5. Just remove 5 and type here 8. Now, right now we have selected the range which is started from row number 3 to row number 8. Then you got output. So this is short-term task we can do with the help of F2. These types of mistakes we can remove with the help of F2. Understood, guys? These are some examples. Once I will start formulas, then you will see there are a lot of the use case of F2. It's a very important shortcut key. And these are the numbers which you're seeing on your screen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the rows, different. And A, B, C, D, E, F. These are the columns. Now in the Excel, we have some limitations. We have max to max 10,48,576 raw data sets. We can't store any data set which is greater than 10 lakh. Suppose if we have 20 lakhs or 30 lakhs data sets, so we can't store Excel directly, but it is possible with the help of SQL database or some Excel, MS Access. With the help of we can connect. But in the Excel, we have some limitation 10,48,576. This is the last row. Similarly, we have some limitations in columns as well. In columns, we have max to max 16,384 columns. This is your first column. This is your second column. Now, if you're looking at on your last column, XFD, the column number of this column is 16,384. It means we have 16,000 columns in Excel, 16,384, and rows are 10,48,576. Understood, guys? How many columns we have in Excel?
16384.
And rows
10 lakh.
10,
10 lakh
48,
48,576.
yeah, great. So we have some limitation, and these are the cells where we are filling our data something. These are the cells. This checkbox are the cells of this Excel. Okay. Now we have covered up these 4 shortcut keys. Okay. These are some examples which I'm covering you. There are 200 to 250 shortcut keys in Excel. So I can't cover all those 250 shortcut keys because that is not possible, because max to max you will use 30 to 35 shortcut keys in your real time. So it is better. These are some examples which I'm covering you. So on the basis of these 13 to 14 shortcut keys, you can understand, okay, these are the shortcut keys. Then after this session, I will share the PDF of shortcut keys where you will start some practice on your weekends. Okay, and these are important shortcut keys which I'm going to cover because these are use case in your real time. 13 to 14 shortcut keys which I'm covering. Understood, guys? After the shortcut keys, I will move to the formulas in the next session, or in the next session, I will move to the formulas. So till this point, from window R to till F2, do you have any doubt, guys? Any question between these four shortcut keys, 4 to 5 shortcut keys? 5 shortcut keys I have covered up.
Yeah, these 5 are common to this notepad and everything, all other workbooks as well,
Yes.
not only for Excel. Okay.
Okay, no, sorry. Actually, these shortcut keys are window R is useful for notepad and wordpad, other things. But these shortcut keys are related to your Excel. Okay, F2, control page up down. Okay, except this one. This is common for notepad, for wordpad, for Excel, for any other. Understood? First one is common, but these three are coming under Excel. Once I will share 240 shortcut keys. So most of them are common for all other applications, not related to your Excel. Understood?
Yeah.
No, not related to your Excel only. So once I will share that shortcut keys.
Yeah.
Okay, shall we start the sixth one? Removing how to add borders first, and then how to remove border. Okay, let me create one data in front of you. Just don't be confused. How is it possible after Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday is coming? This is also the part of your autofill series. How is it possible after Monday, Tuesday is coming, Wednesday is coming, Thursday, Friday? Because this is also separate topic which I will cover in the formula stage. Autofill series. Once I will start, then you will see how is it possible. After Monday, Tuesday is coming. After 1, 2 is 2, 3 is coming. Some shortcut keys I'm using right now. I'm not going to tell you about. How is it possible after 1, 2, 3, 4? Because these all parts will be covered under this topic. Okay. So right now I'm giving, these are some students, or you can say some employees. A1, A2, A3. One formula I'm giving here. Now data is not looking so good. So first we need to select your data. How to select your data? We have some more shortcut keys. Control Shift. If you press Control Shift,
Command shift down.
then down. Now we have selected from row number 3 to row number 7. Or if you select Control Shift right arrow, we have selected multiple columns. Then down, hold your Control Shift command, then and press down. All the data is selected. Control Shift, either you can choose down or right. Right arrow, then down arrow. Control Shift right arrow, down arrow. Understood how to select your data?
Yeah.
And if you want to move your cursor from first row to last, then shortcut key is Control down. For example, right now, my cursor is active on my first row, and last is 40. Now, if you are not using control, now this will take some time. Now, instead of using this step, just type control, hold control command and press down. Now we have entered in the bottom. Similarly, if you type control up arrow, then you will be entered in the starting point in the upward direction. Understood, guys? These are some basic shortcut. We need to remember it. How to move your cursor before before you're going to start any practice or anything in Excel. Just just follow this activity for 5 minutes. Control right, control down, then control left, control up, control right, control down, control left, control up. Just do it. So this will help you a lot for your fastest finger. Understood? By this way. Control. This is a good habit. So you can start. Your fingers will active for your shortcut keys. Understood, guys? What I'm teaching you here.
Yeah.
So these are some basic things we need to cover it. So right now here I have created one data in front of you. Now the first thing is press Alt. I think Alt H. Alt, then H stands for home. Select your data first, Alt H, then AC, central alignment, is Alt H AC. After that, again press Alt H. B stands for border. A stands for all border. This is your shortcut. Alt H B A. Just follow it. Alt H stands for home. B stands for border. And last shortcut key A stands for all border. Till this point, any doubt?
In which option you're able to see that all the shortcut keys?
This is your shortcut key and this is available in your basic shortcut. In your basic shortcut key, here I think here I will add this option Alt H B A. Okay. Similarly, Alt H B N is just opposite for your this command. Here I'm copying it. Alt H B A. This is coming under basic shortcut keys because these all are available just similar like this way. A. Adding the borders. Understood, guys? How to create borders? Just
Yeah.
first select your data, control shift right arrow, down arrow. Right now my data is selected. Now the next thing is press Alt H B A. Now the border is created. Then how to remove this border? Just type opposite command Alt H B N. N stands for no border. Select your data Alt H B and N. N stands for no border. Now the border is removed. Understood how to create borders and how to remove borders from Excel?
Yeah.
And
Yeah, true. But what about in Mac OS? Could you please explain Mac OS shortcut keys as well along
yes,
with
I
the
will
link?
share. I will share that. For Mac shortcut keys, I will share that. Okay.
Mhm.
So this is your basic shortcut. And with the help of basic shortcut keys, we have removed this border. Alt H B N. Now the border is removed. Now again I pressed Control Z. Undo option you know about. Control Z. Control Z is your Control Z for undo option. I hope you are aware about it. Undo
Yeah.
option. Control Z. Alt H B A. Now instead of using, if I use Alt H B N, if you choose Control Shift hyphen, so what will happen? Control Shift and minus button, just I'm giving you again, just click on this on screen option, this one, Control Shift and this option, hyphen minus, you can see.
Yeah.
This option, Control Shift. Now the border is removed. This one, Control Shift and hyphen. This shortcut key I have used for removing the borders from the data. Understood, guys? So as of now, we have completed 7 shortcut keys in today's session. In the next session, I will cover these all shortcut, and from day 3, I will start formulas. Once we will enter in formulas, then session will be more interested and more interactive, because this is the backbone of your interview question or of your real-time projects. We have for 50 to 50 question shortcuts, sorry, formulas are there. Understood? So thanks for joining us, guys. If you want to continue, you can talk to admin, and I will share the link, same link on Monday. There is no session for tomorrow and Sunday. This is weekday batch and same timing, 8 to 9 p.m. Monday to Friday. Is there any doubt, guys? Any question?
No, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Thanks for joining us. Happy weekend, guys. See you on
Thank you.
Monday.
Bye.